Sorry guys, I need to do this. By the power of Grayskull, I have the power. So let's get our fishing rod. So I guess we found our fishing rod. Let's go make it into a real one. So that's all. 1 meter from the top, we made 2 screws to wind up the line. We will go to the water now, attach the rubber to the tip, and let's see if we can catch some fish. So yeah, that didn't take long. See, this works fine. Why buy it if you can make it? Hey, thanks for watching.